Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. Resh trying something new, reporting from the toilet. Probably didn't think that's very funny, but this really is my bathroom. I'm trying not to wake my kids up. Anyways, here's your lesson for Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Which animal would Lewis and Clark bring back as a gift or surprise for Thomas Jefferson after the expedition? Wednesday's answer: there would be 13 states carved out in the Louisiana Purchase. You can see them right here from Montana, North, South Dakota, Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, and more. Wednesday's goal was to learn about 9.1 and a review and how they took over power. We know that Thomas Jefferson reduced the size of government greatly. Navy and Army, he shrank the size, putting us in jeopardy for battle between the British and the French, which would later happen in the future in the War of 1812. We learned about the 12th Amendment. This changed the way elections happened for the president. President on one ballot, vice president on another. You also learned about judicial review a second time, which did three things. Constitution is the law of the land. When anything is in conflict, always follow the Constitution, and it established judicial review. Okay. Today's plan is to do part one of the Louisiana Purchase. You're going to learn about the story of Napoleon Bonaparte, right here, a guy from France. He would give us the opportunity to double our size of our country under Jefferson. Jefferson, being all about agriculture, would need to jump on that to expand the size of farms and to expand the country's economy. Your goals today: how would the Louisiana Purchase and Lewis and Clark change America? 2, which groups of people would be negatively affected by this purchase? All right. Yesterday, there was a little last lesson snafu. Dope! Homer Simpson, right? Out of our control. Schoology has so much usage right now that it's making it really tough for us. All right. Bear with us. You're doing a great job. I appreciate everybody's effort of staying on top of things and trying in the morning, mid-afternoon, and even at night. Keep that up. There's a few workarounds, though, to try for yesterday's lesson submission. Number 1, I put in a lot of alternative links. So go ahead and try those. I put 2 or 3 in the same video assignment. I uploaded the video to my Google Drive, and I shared that link to you directly, so that probably will work. Try from a non-school issued device, such as a phone or a parent or guardian's computer. And if all else fails, email me. I can try to send you the link directly that way. Okay? So bear with us. You're doing great. All right, quickly onto yesterday's takeaways. Many of you mistakenly put down that one of the precedents that Thomas Jefferson set was that the president and vice president were for the first time on separate ballots. This is false. Remember that the Jefferson election where he won ended in a tie, okay? And that is the very reason why the 12th Amendment was put into the Constitution around 1803, 1804. Future elections after Jefferson's would be on separate ballots. What you should have put down are one of these two things: that it was the first time the press ever got involved in an election and helped candidates win or lose, and that there was a transfer of power from Federalist Washington Adams to Democratic Republicans. The first time in history that happened. Okay? Here's your new task. You're going to get out your notes booklet or find the digital notes that I posted for 9.2. You're going to watch 9.2's lesson. It's about 9-10 minutes. Play it on 1.5 speed. Stop when you need to. And then submit your response. Here's where you do that. Okay? You go into the Thomas Jefferson era folder. All right? 9.2's lesson part 1 is today. Tomorrow will be part 2. Watch the video attached right here. Again, let me know if it doesn't work, but I bet it will. Okay? Second, you're going to create a submission. You're going to answer this key question. All I want you to do, very simply, do the notes, and then summarize: why did Napoleon sell the Louisiana Territory to the United States? That is a cool story, boys and girls. Lock into that. That's going to be one of your assessment options at the end of chapter 9. This is Mr. Resh signing out from the bathroom. Peace.